everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financial. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a standard account on forex.com. To get started, let's open Chrome browser. Here enter forex.com and it will open this interface. Here enter email address to open an account. After entering email address, click on open an account. It will navigate you to this interface. So here you can see open standard account. Tap on it. Now in this interface, fill up the details as required. And then tap on Save and Continue button. Again, fill up the details and click on Confirm. Now again, select the currency and scroll down and tap on Continue. Here, check all the given below and tap on Submit button. It is on process. Here you go, you have successfully created a standard account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.